Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any screen rotation related problems on OPPO Find X8. Now let's begin. The very first step you should do is simply expand your control center and then expand it again. In here you should find Auto Rotate button, which is currently blue, meaning that it is on. We can always disable it by hitting once and enable it back by hitting once again. However, you may not see this tile. If you don't, you can always go to three dots in the top right corner, go to Edit Tiles, and I will now remove it. And you want to basically find Auto Rotate option here and then press plus icon. And now you can always just move it around in order to, for example, move it to somewhere you have easier access to. And if you still cannot find this, we can always go back, enter our settings, enter display and brightness, scroll down a little, and here we have Auto Rotate option. It's also remember to note that some applications are locked in to certain mode. Portrait, which is the one that you're seeing right now, and Landscape, which is like this. So as you can see, the settings themselves are one of these applications. You cannot really rotate it to landscape mode, unfortunately. So for example, if you want to enable rotation on YouTube, you want to make sure that you have Auto Rotate option enabled, and if such option exists, you can also check settings in this certain application, for example, YouTube. And once again, if none of this works, you can always just restart your phone. You can easily do that by pressing and holding power button and moving the slider to the restart option. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.